and then pause it.
Are you doing it?
Okay, I'm recording.
Oh, you got me?
Do we know what we're doing?
Ready?
I'm recording.
What?
Recording.
I'm recording.
Oh, wait, stop. Kelly from JJ Kelly's. JJ Kelly's is challenging all of our employees, friends, and family. We're out here today to raise money for ALS. We just want to mention a few people. And we all donated here. Sue and Chris Mosier's mom, who passed away this week from ALS and is being waked today. We're doing this in her honor. We're doing this in Doris Paliga's honor, who passed away last year from ALS. And we're doing this for my daughter's very best friend, Amy Harp, who is 30 years old and has ALS. So we're going to start over here with Lourdes, and let's go.
Go ahead, Lourdes. Go.
You jump on Pat. All right, Pat. Okay. Oh! Okay. Okay, Allison.
We need another bucket.
Here's another bucket. Here. Pass this down for. Okay.
Get that to Jimmy. That was a slow motion.
Okay. All right, Alex. Okay, Alex, get Sarah.
Joellen, you're going to have to...
Olivia. Wait 1 second. All right, now what JJ Kelly's is doing is we're trying to start something with the bars in our village and around the area. So we, as JJ Kelly's, are challenging number 1, the American Legion in Thornton, our good friends. Number 2, we're challenging Jack's on Ridge Road, and number 3, Kilroy's on Ridge Road. You need to accept this challenge by Wednesday and film it for all of us to see. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God.